Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about two different skincare systems. One of them is only going to cost you $30 with a coupon code, and you're going to get 4 different headsets with it. And the other is going to cost you about $100 if I remember correctly, and it's only going to come with one headset. So if you want to know what I'm talking about and you want to invest in a better skincare system for yourself that's at a much lower cost, just stick around and keep watching. Alrighty, so to get into it, as you could probably tell from the title of this video, I'm going to be comparing Duvolle's Radiance Spin Care System, which comes with 4 different heads. It's in this huge box. And then I'm going to be comparing it to the Clarisonic, which only has 1 head. So obviously, most people already know what the Clarisonic is. You know, it's just a little brush. I have the Radiance head, I think, on it. I don't know, it's good for my sensitive skin. But this basically just vibrates. Maybe you can't hear me with that. But this just vibrates when you turn it on. It's really soft, and I find that I always have to replace the head of it, which, I mean, it's not cheap. It's like $30 to buy a new head. It's like 20 or $30 to buy a new headset for this. So, I mean, to me, it's just not worth it. You already spent like 100 something to buy the body of it with a head that comes with it. And then you have to keep replacing the heads. Like, they say every 3 months, but I mean, for me, after a few uses, the head's like destroyed. And I don't like that when you're using it, you know, you're using it, and then all of a sudden it just shuts off. And it's fully charged, but I guess it has like a self-timer where it's like, okay, like you're done using it. And for me, I just like using things maybe longer than necessary just because I want to feel like I cleaned my face or I cleaned my body, whatever the case, not when the self-timer decides I've cleaned my face or my body. And again, this is only for your face. What I like about Duvolle's Radiance Spin Care System is that if I open this up, you'll see it comes with 4 different heads. So, what I like about this is battery charged, which, I mean, it sucks, but it doesn't, because this, I hate the charging station for this. It's like a little magnetic piece that goes on here, and then you charge the rest of that into a wall, and it always just like falls off and comes up. I don't like it. Like, cute idea, really cute. I like the hot pink and everything. That's why I picked the hot pink one out, because they have a variety of shades. But I mean, for me, it's just not ideal, and it's really expensive and not worth it. So like I was saying with Duvolle's, it comes with this, and it has different heads that you can clip on, as you can see by that little insert right there in the middle. So there's 4 different heads. This one is a pumice stone, I believe. Yes, this one's a pumice stone. And this is what you use for the bottoms of your feet. So that's one thing that this comes with. And I'll show you how easy it is to pop them on. You literally just go like that. And it's on. Very easy. Very simple. And to turn it on, you just click this button right here. And what I like about this, I feel like it's not as loud. And hopefully, I don't know if you guys could see it, it's like spinning. So this one spins, and I feel like it's not as loud as the Clarisonic. And I feel like the Clarisonic, it doesn't spin, it kind of vibrates against your skin. So I prefer for it to spin as it cleanses my skin, or whatever you want to call it, as opposed to it just vibrating against my skin. I don't know, I feel like I get a better clean with this guy anyway. I haven't really used the pumice stone. I'm sure it works just fine. And then it comes with 2 different head pieces. One is a cleanser, the other is an exfoliator. So this is what they look like. These are both for the face. This one right here is the cleanser. It has softer bristles. This one is the exfoliator. It's a little more stubborn. For my sensitive skin, I like to just use the cleanser because this is just way too rough on my skin. I only use this if my skin is feeling really like grimy and gross, because I do feel like it gives me a really good clean. Again, they spin, so I just feel like it's a better clean. And then the last head that this system comes with is this huge one, and this is one that you use all over your body. The bristles are similar to the exfoliating facial brush. So again, this one, I'll bring it back just for reference. This guy, they're very similar. But on my body, even though I have sensitive skin, I don't really feel like it hurts me. So I really like it. So again, just to pop it on, it spins. Hopefully you see that motion. It's just spinning. And I feel like this not only cleanses my body, I also feel like it exfoliates my skin very gently. Like whenever I use this, I feel like the skin on my arms is just really soft because I have like rough, dry skin on my arms. So I like this system 10 times better than the Clarisonic. I started out using the Clarisonic and then I discovered this, so I just feel like this is just a better system. It's so worth it. Oh, and about the bristles, especially because I already said how the Clarisonic, I just feel like it doesn't last as long as it could and as it should. Where these bristles, I've probably been using this for 4 or 5 months now, and nowhere on their website does it say that you need to replace it. Just to clean it, I just like to use soap and water just to clean it so I don't feel like it has like all like the dirt and residue from my skin, if that makes sense. But yeah, I just like to put soap on this. It also gets clean as you're using it because you put soap on it or a body wash, and that's how you clean your skin with it. So it's really nice. But I mean, these bristles, they last forever. And if they look a little bent to you, even in their little directions pamphlet that I have folded up like this, it just says to wet it and then like mend them back into their shape, and that's what I do, and it's lasted me so long. So you literally buy the system for $30 and you never need to get a new one or replacement heads. So I think that's really great. So overall, I prefer the Duvolle Radiance spin care system over the Clarisonic. If you want to waste your money on this, go for it. But if you want to save some money and get this, it retails for around $100 like this, but I mean, you do get 4 heads. But if you use the coupon code BONUS70, you will get 70% off. So that will bring the price down to around $30 something, including tax. So I will have the website down below. I also have the coupon code down below. So again, it's duvolle.com and the coupon code is BONUS70. So overall, I think that Duvolle's skincare system is 10 times better, and it's obviously way more affordable with a coupon code than Clarisonic's little, you know, cleaner. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please be sure to leave a comment down below tell me if you want to see more videos like this. Leave comments on what you want to see me do in the future type of thing. So again, like always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed making it for you as always. Be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you next time.